Clear the roadblocks holding you back and let money flow effortlessly into your life. With just a few simple actions, you'll shift your energy and watch as opportunities come to you. Start today and see your path to prosperity unfold before you. Practicing daily gratitude is a powerful way to clear your path and enhance your financial flow. Spend a few minutes each day acknowledging what you're thankful for. This habit shifts your mindset, making you more open to receiving abundance and attracting positive opportunities. When you start your day with gratitude, you set a positive tone that influences your actions and interactions. This approach helps you stay focused on what you have rather than what you lack, which can lead to unexpected financial gains and opportunities. Documenting your gratitude in a journal or simply reflecting on it helps reinforce this practice. The more you acknowledge the good things in your life, the more you create space for new and exciting possibilities to enter. This shift in perspective can be a key factor in unlocking a steady flow of money. Regular gratitude practice also has the benefit of reducing stress and increasing overall happiness. A positive mindset makes you more receptive to opportunities and better equipped to handle challenges. This in turn creates a more favorable environment for financial growth. By consistently practicing gratitude, you build a foundation for success and abundance. It's a simple yet effective strategy that can make a significant impact on your financial well-being. Setting clear financial goals is essential for directing your efforts and achieving financial success. Start by defining specific, measurable, and achievable objectives. This clarity helps you stay focused and motivated, turning your aspirations into tangible results. Break down your financial goals into smaller, manageable steps. Create a plan that outlines the actions needed to reach each milestone. This structured approach makes it easier to track progress and stay on course. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Life is dynamic and your financial goals may evolve over time. Being flexible and adaptable ensures that your plan remains relevant and effective. Visualizing your financial goals can also be helpful. Picture yourself achieving your objectives and experiencing the benefits. This mental practice reinforces your commitment and keeps you aligned with your desired outcomes. Setting and working towards clear financial goals helps create a roadmap for your success. It turns abstract ideas into concrete actions, leading to a more organized and purposeful approach to managing your money. Developing a budget is a crucial step in managing your finances and ensuring a steady flow of money. Start by tracking your income and expenses to get a clear picture of your financial situation. This helps you identify areas where you can save and allocate resources more effectively. Once you have an overview, create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Allocate funds for essential expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. A well-structured budget helps you control your finances and avoid unnecessary debt. Sticking to your budget requires discipline and regular monitoring. Keep track of your spending and adjust as needed to stay on target. This practice not only helps you manage your money, but also builds a habit of financial responsibility. Revisiting your budget periodically ensures that it remains relevant to your changing circumstances. Adjust your allocations based on new financial goals or shifts in your income. This adaptability helps you maintain control over your finances and supports continuous growth. By creating and adhering to a budget, you gain a better understanding of your financial habits and make informed decisions. This approach paves the way for a more stable and prosperous financial future. Mindful spending involves making deliberate and thoughtful choices about how you use your money. Before making a purchase, consider whether it aligns with your financial goals and values. This practice helps you avoid impulsive decisions and prioritize your spending. Create a list of your needs versus wants. Focus on fulfilling essential needs first and evaluate whether additional purchases are truly necessary. Mindful spending encourages you to make choices that contribute to your long-term financial well-being. Consider the impact of your spending on your overall financial goals. Assess whether each expense supports or hinders your progress toward achieving your objectives. This awareness helps you stay aligned with your financial plan and maximize your resources. Mindful spending also involves being aware of the value and quality of your purchases. Invest in items that offer long-term benefits rather than short-term satisfaction. This approach ensures that your money is spent wisely and contributes to your financial stability. By practicing mindful spending, you enhance your ability to manage your finances effectively and support your journey toward financial abundance. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net for unexpected expenses. Start by setting aside a small amount each month to build this fund gradually. Having a reserve of money ensures that you are prepared for unforeseen circumstances without disrupting your financial goals. Aim to accumulate enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This buffer gives you peace of mind and helps you handle emergencies without resorting to credit or depleting your savings. Regular contributions to your emergency fund, even if small, make a significant difference over time. Consistency is key to building a solid financial cushion and maintaining your stability. Review and adjust your emergency fund as needed based on changes in your expenses or financial situation. Ensuring that your fund remains adequate helps you stay prepared for any challenges that may arise. By prioritizing the creation of an emergency fund, you enhance your financial security and create a more stable foundation for achieving your financial goals. Investing in yourself is a crucial step toward achieving financial success. Pursue opportunities for personal and professional growth, such as education, skills development, and training. This investment can increase your earning potential and open doors to new opportunities. Identify areas where you can enhance your skills or knowledge. Whether through formal education or self-directed learning, acquiring new skills can lead to career advancement and financial benefits. Networking and building professional relationships also play a role in personal development. Engage with industry experts and peers to gain insights, opportunities, and support for your growth. Allocate time and resources to your personal development as part of your financial strategy. The skills and knowledge you gain can lead to increased income and better financial outcomes. By investing in yourself, you create opportunities for growth and advancement. This commitment supports your journey toward financial abundance and clears the path for continued success. Building and maintaining positive relationships can influence your financial success. Surround yourself with individuals who support and inspire you. Positive relationships create a network of encouragement and opportunities that can enhance your financial journey. Seek out mentors and advisors who can provide guidance and advice. Their experience and insights can help you navigate challenges and make informed financial decisions. Maintain and nurture relationships that contribute positively to your well-being. Healthy connections can provide emotional support and practical advice, fostering an environment conducive to financial success. By cultivating positive relationships, you enhance your support system and create a network that contributes to your overall financial and personal well-being. Taking consistent action toward your financial goals is essential for achieving success. Implement the strategies outlined in your financial plan and regularly evaluate your progress. Consistency ensures that you stay on track and make steady progress. Break down your goals into manageable tasks and set deadlines for each. This approach helps you stay organized and motivated, making it easier to achieve your objectives. Monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. Regularly reviewing your efforts allows you to address any challenges and stay aligned with your financial goals. Celebrate your achievements and milestones along the way. Recognizing your progress boosts motivation and reinforces your commitment to your financial plan. By practicing consistent action, you build momentum and steadily move toward your financial goals. This approach creates a clear path to success and supports a continuous flow of prosperity. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you pave the way for a clearer path and a steady flow of financial abundance. Each action contributes to a more prosperous and fulfilling life, aligning your efforts with your financial goals. Accept these practices and watch as opportunities and prosperity flow into your life. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. If you found these insights valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips on achieving financial success and personal growth.